Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Prodigy, and in today's video we are talking about Axie Infinity. As you can see, we have some exciting news because I will just let you see this. Look at this trading volume and this spike. That's right, Axie Infinity is probably the new most popular crypto alt token we have seen in probably like months, because it has already trading volume of $1 billion. So these news that I will present for you today are most important news, I will say, in this week, because you will see in the video. Watch this video till the end so you find out what is going on, and if you're in Axie gang, please leave this video till the end and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything, because we have some exciting news for today. So what is going on with Axie Infinity? What is even Axie Infinity? For you that don't know what it is, it's basically a game. We are here on their website and you can see there that they're basically doing a game. You can download it on iOS, on Android and Macintosh, but what type of game it is? It's basically growing pets game. Some of those addictive Android games you already know. They have started advertising it and it's already on $14. It has potential to go up to probably $1,000, but we will see in the future. You can see they started advertising here on 6th of July. It already picked up some trading volume. As you can see, it's now on $1 billion, which is amazing, I would say. And as you can see here, $15 is the biggest price we had today, $11 is the lowest. Basically, the game is all around making pets, leveling them up, and buying as much Axies as you can. What I like about Axie coin is that you need to buy them basically daily so you can upgrade your pets and stuff, and they have perfect ecosystem because you burn a lot of those Axies into your pets here, and as they grow you need to buy more and more and more, and this is why the price is going so much up. As you can see, it's already on $14 in just a few days. It was on $6 before they started advertising it. It is basically the biggest news we have all this week long, because as you can see here on Twitter, they already started advertising it with crypto influencers and gaming promoters. Here are some news that they're posting on Twitter. It is going, they have some micro income streams. They'll basically advertise their game on Twitch, which is also good for price and for popularity of the crypto. Let's see what else they have here. So basically they are advertising also the people who are making money with Axie, because you have staking also. So this is the co-founder Siho Trout, I would say, you can check on his Twitter here and see the news expressly. They already have their Twitch game. It's gaining so much in popularity lately that you can see here, from like, I would say, few $1,000 trading volume, they picked up to $1 billion trading volume, which is amazing. So this is definitely the cryptocurrency to watch, because it can grow extremely good in price, and they can skyrocket up to probably $1,000 and make you rich. So definitely keep an eye on Axie Infinity, maybe invest some of the money, because the price is not too high yet, because it's just picking up the steam. So watch out for this cryptocurrency. Let's search for their Twitter account a little bit. Here basically they're advertising a lot. This is why the trading volume is so big. You have basically Kraken Exchange also listed AXS on their cryptocurrency market, which is good. With 22 million daily volume, Axie Infinity made more than 1 million in revenue yesterday. It's already on 1 billion, so I don't know what to say. It's amazing news from Axie Infinity. So a little bit more about game. It's basically leveling up pets, sending them into the battle, buying special cards, and this crypto project is doing very well. They have large investors, I mean billion-dollar investors, that are putting their money into the game because it's addictive and because it's bringing you money. So you can basically even earn by playing this game, which is pretty good. So this is why I would suggest to definitely watch for Axie Infinity. Let's see some 7-day price chart. So it was here on $7 in 4th of July. It was going up and up, and probably I would say this was some kind of small pump because somebody knew that they will start advertising this game. And here on I would say July 6th, it was going massive because here they started their marketing campaign with Twitch streamers, with YouTubers, with Facebook ads and stuff like that. So this is why it picked up so much of revenue, because people started buying in-game currencies and leveling up their pets. So yeah, it was still going up and up and up, and here was the second breakthrough of $10, and it was on $13 in about, I would say, a few hours. Yes, in 2 hours basically, which is extremely good. So it was started to gain. These are some big sharks investing in, which is good. Some of them are selling here on $15, but I think it will go even more and higher in the future. It's still holding this line about $15, $14-15 I would say, which is good. Nothing to worry about this small price dump, because the large sharks that invested here are probably like selling. They don't need anything else, and I would say this is the support line here. I will zoom it out. Yeah, so you can see from here to here it's support line, and it won't go below that. So definitely some of exciting news today about Axie Infinity. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about Axie Infinity? Will it reach $1,000 or not? I'm hugely invested, and I'm hyped up for this cryptocurrency since it's picking up so much popularity in the, I would say, few days basically, that it's incredible. They have also contract with Ethereum, which they're using to basically Ethereum blockchain network, which is good. They are having collectibles, NFTs, gaming. Basically, you all know already those gaming crypto projects, but this is the one to look after because of its trading volume and the budget they have to invest into this. So that would be basically it for today's video. I would like to see the let me find it. Market dominance in $0.06, but it's going up and up, so it will definitely go, I would say, 0.1% very soon. Volume is 1.24, which is okay. So yeah, those are some exciting news. You can see the exchanges that are listing AXS. We have Binance, we have Huobi, FTX. They are making, let's see here, volume. Yeah, so this is the volume. 370 million in Binance, and since Binance exchange listed it, it was skyrocketed. That's right, it was skyrocketed in price. So yeah, that would be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you do, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.